A very warm welcome to all the viewers of this video lecture, which is basically on the CEF card and the RAC card commissioning of the enode-B. The commissioning of the CEF card and the RAC card is required whenever we install a new equipment, new enode-B, or it is also required when we are going to shift our enode-B from L2 layer network to the L3 layer network. In this case, our enode-B was running in the L2 layer network, that is the CPAN network. Now we are migrating our enode-B to the L3 layer network, that is the MAN network. So there is a need to decommission all the cards available on the BBO of the enode-B. All the card means the CEF card and the RAC card, and commission it with a new script which is meant for the new network, that is the MAN network. So let's see the comprehensively the whole steps involved in the decommissioning and the commissioning of the CEF card and the RAC card of the BBU. Before diving into this video lecture, let's first discuss the slots available in the BBU of the enode-Bs. There are basically 10 slots available in the BBU, that is the base point unit of the enode-B, wherein the slot number 1, slot number 3 and the slot number 6 is used for the RAC card, and slot number 4 is used for the CEF card. The slot number 1 is being used for the band 41 RAC card. Similarly, slot number 3 is used for the band 1 RAC card, and slot number 6 is used for the band 28 card. The band 28 is also known as 700 MHz card. Band 1 is also known as the 2100 MHz card, and band 41 stands for, or it is also popularly known as band 2500 MHz card. So after discussing the slots, let's discuss few things about the CEF card. So now we knew about the slots available in the BBU. After this, let's discuss some of the ports available on the RAC card and the CEF card. This diagram represent the port-wise detail of the CEF card and the RAC card. These now first let's discuss the CEF card. CEF card is having two variety. One is known as the CEF 12 and another is known as the CEF 12T. The basic difference between the two are the ports, available ports for the media. The similar fashion, the RAC card is having some ports for the RRH connectivity. The main thing is to be noted here. This audio jack type port is known as the DIAC port, which is available on all the cards, that is the CEF card and the RAC card, which is being used for the decommissioning and the commissioning of these cards. Now let's discuss the process of commissioning of BBU and the BBU CEF card and the RAC card. The commissioning is being done after decommissioning, and these whole decommissioning and the commissioning involve some steps. The step 1, in the step 1 we plan the IP and the VLAN of each node and after this, according to this IP and the VLAN plan, we prepare a script. The script preparation and the IP VLAN planning is beyond the scope of this video, so we will not cover up. We are not covering these two steps. This in this video we will basically talk about the decommissioning process and the commissioning process. The decommissioning starts with the decommissioning of the rack card, and there is some order which we follow. For the category D, enode-B, we are having 3 rack cards. So we start the decommissioning process from the band 28 card. After that, we do the decommissioning of the band 1 card, and at the last we do the decommissioning of the band 41 card. And thenceforth, we will at the last we will do the decommissioning process of the CEF 12 or the CEF 12T card. Similarly, in the step 4, we do the commissioning starting from the band 28 card. After that, we do the commissioning of of band 1 card. Then we take up the band 41 card, and at the last we take up the CEF 12 or CEF 12T card for the commissioning. For the commissioning and the decommissioning, we need two things. One is the CX 4G app, which will be basically provided by the Tejas, and this app we need to install in our Android phone, which is having Type C USB port, because this app runs on the one hardware, which is this diag cable. This diag cable is having Type C male port that we need to put in our mobile, which is having the Type C female port, and this 4.5 mm jack, audio jack, is being put into the rack card and the SAC card DAC port. So basically, two things are required for the commissioning and the decommissioning of this SAF card and the rack card. One is the software, that is software means the mobile app, which is the Tej CX 4G app, and another one is DAC cable. After installing this app in our Android mobile, we need to connect the DAC cable to the particular card, that is the rack card first. The process. So you can observe here, the moment we put the DAC cable into this DAC port, the Tej CX app will pop up on the screen like this. So this Tej CX app is having multiple options that we can see in this slide, but for the sake of commissioning and the decommissioning, we will be only concentrating on the CX and the DCX portion. After inserting this cable, we need to press this option, that is the CX and the DCX option. Then we will reach to this option. Here in the action, first we need to select the DCX, that is for the decommissioning, and in the card type we need to select the specific card. First we are going to decommission the rack card, so I have here selected the rack in the card type option, and after this we need to press OK. This decommissioning process will take some time, almost 30 minutes. But after 30 minutes, if everything goes well, this card will be decommissioned, and you will get the final result on your mobile screen itself. So after the completion of whole decommissioning process, you will find this type of screen on your mobile. This means the decommissioning of the rack card is complete. In a similar way, we will decommission the other cards, other rack cards. The decommissioning of the rack cards is very easy. We need not to do anything. Only in the action we select the DCX and the card type rack. In the similar fashion, we will decommission all the rack cards available on the BBU. Our second rack card is also decommissioned. Now, if the third rack card is available, then you need to decommission that rack card also, or else we can start the decommissioning process of the CEF card. Decommissioning of CEF card can be done by selecting the decommission and the card type. We need to select the cell. It will also take 34 minutes, and after the 30 minutes or maybe less, this CEF card will also be decommissioned. See, like this we will get the decommissioning, the successful decommissioning pop-up. After this, we have to do the commissioning. So for the commissioning, we will select the action FTX and select the card type. But here there is a catch. Here you have to gather the script on your mobile, which will be supplied by the Tejas team or the TCL team. Here, after putting the card type, you need to put the enode-B ID. The enode-B ID provided in the file name itself. So in our case, everything was provided. So here you need to see. Here in our case, I have downloaded the script, and the script is having, see, I will show you. See, this CEF card script is having one number, that is 521745. This is the enode-B ID. So every script for the rack card and the CEF card will have one enode-B ID that you need to put into this location, into this place. So for the rack, I have been provided with the 511745 enode-B ID, and then you need to verify the site name. Yeah, now it is good to go. Then after that, you need to press OK, and it will start decommissioning. It will start the commissioning. So commissioning part will also take another 10 to 20 minutes for each card. After the successful commissioning, you will get this type of pop-up on your mobile. That means your rack card is successfully commissioned. Now we will go to the other rack cards. Here I am doing the commissioning of the CEF card. I have skipped all the other cards as the process is the same. the whole commissioning and decommissioning may take 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So you have to take sufficient time with you. You have sufficient buffer time with you, so that the process of decommissioning and the commissioning can be completed in the same day to minimize the downtime of the enode-B. If you are doing the thing in the remote location, then it is advisable to start early in the morning, so that in case there is some glitch, you will fix some glitch in decommissioning or the commissioning, you will have the buffer time to sort out the issues. So here one thing I need to tell, that sometime you will get this type of commissioning failed pop-up, which will say the IP address is not assigned to the device. So it doesn't mean that the SAF card is not commissioned. The SAF card is commissioned, but it is not, the IP is not configured properly. So there is a way to rectify this type of issue that can be done with the help of laptop. Here I have already logged into the enode-B with the help of the laptop, and then I have entered into the DCN menu, and in the DCN menu there is a sub menu called network interface. Here you can see there is no network interface with the slot number 4. So in this case, first we have delete the older configuration and create some new network interface. So I am getting for this media, I am giving for enode-B, I am giving the data from the port 2 of the slot 4. So I have selected the port for the network interface as 1 as 4 as 2. That means the slot 4 port 2, and I am giving the management VLAN, which will be provided in the IP VLAN sheet. And here in the IP address, you need to give the IP address of the SAF card hardware. That will also be provided in the IP VLAN sheet. And the network length mask will be the same as it will be there in sheet, in the IP VLAN sheet. After giving all the details, you need to only submit. After configuration of the network interface, we need to configure the static route, which will be done with the help of the static route. Here we will select the specific network interface that we have just now configured with the slot number 4 and port number 2 with some specific VLAN. Here I have used the VLAN 2516, and the port is 1-4-2. Here from this drop down menu, we have to select that interface, and after selecting this interface, we need to give the destination network address as 0.0.0, and after that destination mask should be also 0, and then in the next hop IP address we have to give the O&M gateway IP, which will be readily available in the IP VLAN sheet. And after submitting each and every parameters, we have to just simply put the submit. Here the static route has been defined. Now we have to check the configuration. We will check our configuration by pinging the IP which is assigned to check the connectivity, which will be done with the help of the menu under maintenance. In the maintenance, we have to go to the DCN monitor and then system and then ping. Here we need to put the IP 10.195.28.132 and simply start ping. If we are getting the ping response, that means the CEF card has been connected with our network and it is ready for the further configuration with the help of the NOC. In the NOC, we will run the JSON and other thing so that it can be commissioned and it can be made ready for the deployment. So with this, I want to close this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.